Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for science for standard 7, unit number 4, that is acids, bases and salts. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with question number 1, that is MCQs. First one, consider the following statements and answer the questions. Which of these statements are correct? For that, answer is option number A, all 4. Second, which of the following solutions is the acidic solution? It's option number C, solution of tamarind. Third, which of the following solutions is the basic solution? It's option number A, soap solution. Fourth, which of the following solutions is the neutral solution? It's option number D, solution of sugar. Fifth, which of the following substances is a salt? It's option number C, common salt. Sixth, which of the following is not an acidic substance? It's option number D, baking soda. Seventh, which of the following is not a basic substance? It's option number D, vinegar. Eighth, which type of substance is glucose? It's option number D, neutral. Ninth, what is the function of phenolphthalein used in neutralization reaction? It's option number D, as an indicator. 10th, what is the chemical name of baking soda? It's option number B, sodium hydrogen carbonate. 11th, which of the following is an antacid substance? It's option number C, milk of magnesia. 12th, which color does China rose indicator give with base? It's option number D, green. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, lactic acid is present in curd. Second, phenolphthalein gives pink color with basic solution. Third, the reaction between acid and base is called neutralization. Fourth, salt and water are produced at the end of chemical reaction between acid and base. Fifth, calamine lotion, that is solution, contains zinc carbonate as one of the chemicals. Sixth one, farmers add quicklime or calcium oxide to neutralize the acidic soil. Seventh, China rose indicator gives magenta color with acidic solution. Now question number 3, answer the following questions in one word. First one, which type of substance is caustic soda? Acidic, basic or salt? So the answer is basic. Second, which acid is present in vinegar? So the answer is acetic acid. Third one, which acid is present in lemon juice? Citric acid. Fourth, which acid is present in tamarind? Tartaric acid. Fifth, what would be the color of sodium hydroxide solution on adding 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein? So the answer is pink. Sixth, which color does turmeric paper give with basic solution? It is red. Seventh, which chemical is injected into the skin when an ant bites? The answer is formic acid. 8th, which acid is present in stomach? It is hydrochloric acid. Now question number 4, that is true or false. First one, nitric acid turns red litmus paper blue. It is false. Second, sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. It is false. Third, sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water. It is true. Fourth, indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solutions. It is true. Fifth, vitamin C is chemically ascorbic acid. It is true. Sixth, litmus is extracted from lichens. It is true. Seventh, the ant bite contains oxalic acid. It is false. Eighth, quicklime is added to the acidic soil to neutralize it. It is true. Ninth, washing soda and baking soda are salts, yet they possess basic property. It is true. 10th, washing soda is a type of salt. It is true. 11th, all the salts are neutral towards litmus papers. It is false. 12th, sugar and glucose are neutral towards litmus paper, yet they are not salt. It is true. Now question number 5, answer the following questions in one sentence. First one, how are bases to taste and touch? Bases are bitter, that is astringent to taste, and soapy to touch. Second, what are indicators? The substances used to examine whether the given substance is acidic or basic are called indicators. Third, give three names of indicators available in nature. Turmeric, litmus, and petals of China rose are the indicators available in nature. Fourth, state two indicators used in neutralization reaction in the laboratory. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange are used as indicators in neutralization reaction in the laboratory. Fifth, from where is litmus extracted? Litmus is extracted from lichens. Sixth, state the effect of washing soda on litmus paper. Washing soda turns moist red litmus paper blue. Seventh, what happens when soap is applied on the stain of turmeric on the clothes? When soap is applied on the stain of turmeric on the clothes, it turns red. 8. State the chemical name of washing soda, so it is sodium carbonate. 9. State the chemical name of common salt, so it is sodium chloride. 10th. State the chemical name of milk of magnesia, so it is magnesium hydroxide. 11th. Define neutralization. Chemical reaction between an acid and a base that produce salt and water is called neutralization. 12th. Which substances are produced by the neutralization reaction between acid and base? So it is salt and water. Now question number 6. Answer the following questions in short. First one. Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. Acid and base react to produce salt and water. This chemical reaction is called neutralization. Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide react chemically and sodium chloride and water are produced. That is, acid plus base gives salt plus water. You can see the example. Now question number 2. Why is an antacid tablet taken when you suffer from acidity? Acidity or indigestion causes due to too much hydrochloric acid released in the stomach. On taking an antacid tablet, the basic substance magnesium hydroxide in it neutralizes the effect of excessive acid, hence it relieves acidity. Third one, why is calamine solution applied on the skin when an ant bites? When an ant bites, it injects formic acid into the skin. It causes pain at the affected area. The effect of acid is neutralized by rubbing calamine solution, which contains basic substance zinc carbonate, hence it gives relief in the pain. Fourth one, why is factory waste neutralized before disposing it into the water bodies? Factory wastes are usually acidic in nature. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will harm the aquatic animals and plants. So factory waste should be neutralized by adding basic substances. Fifth one, blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? Explain. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. Then the solution is either basic or neutral by nature. If the solution is basic, then it does not cause any effect on the litmus paper. It means it remains blue only. If the solution is neutralized, then color of litmus paper will not change. Sixth one, state two properties of acids. Give their three examples. They are sour to taste. They turn moist blue litmus paper red. They react chemically with base to form salt and water. Examples are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Seventh one, state two properties of bases. Give their three examples. They are bitter to taste. They turn red litmus paper blue and they react chemically with acids and produce salt and water. Examples are sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Eighth one, what are neutral substances? Explain giving examples. The substances which do not turn moist blue litmus paper red or moist red litmus paper blue, they are neither acidic nor basic. The substances which do not affect litmus papers are called neutral substances. Common salt, niter, glucose, sugar, etc. are neutral substances. Common salts and niter are salts, while glucose and sugar are not salts yet neutral substances. Ninth one, all the salts are not neutral towards litmus papers. Explain. Washing soda and baking soda are salts. They are salts produced by neutralization of strong base and weak acid. so they have basic property, hence they turn moist red litmus paper blue, thus they are not neutral towards the litmus paper. 10th one, how can it be known that the given solution is acid or base? The solution that turns blue litmus paper red and does not affect the red litmus paper is an acid. The solution that turns red litmus paper blue and does not affect the blue litmus paper is a base. 11th one, what is a salt? Give its examples. The substance produced by neutralization reaction between acid and base is called a salt. Sodium chloride, that is common salt, nitre, that is potassium nitrate, are salts. Both of them do not affect on litmus papers, so they are neutral substances. 12th one, explain the use of neutralization reaction in soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil more acidic or basic. Plants do not grow well when soil is either too acidic or basic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime, that is calcium oxide, or slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide. If the soil is too basic, then acidic substances like gypsum, calcium sulfate is added. Even organic matter is added to basic soil to neutralize it. So, neutralization reaction is used in soil treatment. Now, question number 7, write 2 points of differences. The first difference is between acids and base. Acids are sour to taste and bases are bitter to taste and soapy to touch. Acids turn blue litmus paper red and bases turn red litmus paper blue. The second difference is between acids and salts. Acids are sour to taste, whereas salts are salty or astringent to taste. Acids turn blue litmus paper red and salts, mostly they do not affect the litmus papers. Now the third difference is between bases and salts. Bases are soapy to touch, whereas salts are not soapy to touch. Bases turn red litmus paper blue, whereas salts, mostly they do not affect the litmus papers. Now question number 8, that is classify. The classification is into the substances into acidic, basic and neutral substances. So I have completed it. You can check and complete in your workbook. Now question number 9. Answer the following questions in detail. The question is, describe the following experiment with the diagram. Apparatus and materials are test tubes, tube stand and dropper. Substances are dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sodium hydroxide solution and phenolphthalein. And the procedure is, take a test tube, fill 1/4 of test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid using the dropper. Now add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein into the test tube. Shake the test tube gently. No change occurs in the solution. Now add dilute sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop to the dilute hydrochloric acid in the test tube using the dropper and go on stirring the test tube. Stop adding sodium hydroxide solution when the solution in the test tube turns just light pink color. Insert blue and red litmus papers in this solution and observe. The observation is, there is no effect on the litmus papers by the solutions so obtained in the test tube. Conclusion, by chemical reaction between acid and base, neutral substances having properties other than that of acid and base are produced. This reaction is neutralization reaction. Now the activities. The first activity, the test solution are already given. We have to write the effect on red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. And you need to write whether the substance is acidic, neutral or basic. Okay, so I have already completed the complete table. You can check and complete in your workbook. The second activity is to prepare turmeric paper. That is very easy. You can check it out. Apparatus and materials, turmeric, water, blotting paper, that is filter paper and dropper. Substances are the given solutions. And the procedure is, take a tablespoon of turmeric powder, add a little water and make a paste. Now apply this paste on blotting paper and allow it to dry. Cut thin strips of this paper. Now put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper and observe. Similarly, test the remaining solutions and observe. Third one, to prepare the indicator of China rose, that is Goodall flower. The apparatus and materials are China rose flowers, that is petals, beaker, hot water and dropper. And the procedure is, Put petals of China rose in a beaker, add some hot water to it, keep it for some time till the water becomes colored. Use the colored water as China rose indicator. Add 5 drops of this indicator to shampoo, that is dilute solution, and observe. Similarly, test the remaining solutions and observe. The fourth activity is to study the effect of acid and base on litmus paper, turmeric paper and China rose solution. Now the apparatus and materials are blue and red litmus papers, turmeric paper, China rose solution and dropper. The substances are given dilute acid and base, and the procedure is: put 2 drops of dilute hydrochloric acid on each blue litmus paper, red litmus paper and turmeric paper, and add the same in China rose solution with the help of a dropper and observe. Similarly, test the remaining dilute acid and base and observe. And here the below given table is the observation table. So I have written all the name of the acid and base are already given. The effects on blue and red litmus paper, turmeric paper and China rose solution, all these things I have written in the table. You can check and complete in your workbook. And the conclusion is: acids turn blue litmus paper red and bases turn red litmus paper blue. Acids do not affect the turmeric paper, but bases turn turmeric paper red. Acids turn China rose solution magenta and bases turn China rose solution green. So here we come to the end of unit number 4, that is acids, bases and salts. I hope you have understood the complete unit. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.